Hey everyone, this is Kayla with Stamping Before Anything Else. Today we're going to be making this adorable pink card that just says hello. Today in our quick Make It in Minutes Monday video. To make this card, what you're going to need is the white glitter organdy ribbon. I couldn't figure out what it was called. Need that. We'll need our polished pink ink. Biggest Wish stamp set, that's where we're going to get that hello. We are going to use our Label Me Fancy punch. And then we're going to need some basic white cardstock, some polished pink cardstock, and the Awash and Beauty Designer Series paper. All the measurements for this card are going to be found on our blog, which you can find the link to that in the description of this video. So go check that out down below. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my card base in half. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on these three pieces of cardstock first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere my basic white cardstock to my polished pink cardstock. Then we're going to bring our trimmer in and we are going to cut our Designer Series paper on the short side at 2 inches and then at 1 inch. That'll give us our 3 pieces of Designer Series paper. And I'm going to adhere these down to our basic white and I'm going to flip our middle piece over. Now I'm going to take our white glitter organdy ribbon and I'm going to cut some just enough that it'll overhang on the edges. And then we're going to put glue and adhere this piece and our piece of ribbon, tuck it behind, and glue that to the front of our card base. Next we're going to take our basic white cardstock, just a scrap piece, and our stamp set and our ink, and we are going to stamp our hello on the cardstock. We will bring in our Label Me Fancy punch, and we're going to punch out the hello. And a scrap piece of polished pink to punch out the piece that will go behind it. Then I'm going to take some scissors and our hello. I'm going to cut the top and the bottom portion off of the sentiment. We're going to adhere that onto our polished pink piece. Then we're going to add this on using some dimensionals. And then our final step is to take the opal rounds and add them to the front of the card. And here we have our final card. I really hoped you enjoyed making this card, or at least watching me make it. And if you did like it, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more projects like this. And if you want some simple tutorials, 5 simple tutorials to make some easy cards like this, make sure you're subscribed to our newsletter. You'll automatically get 5 tutorials sent to your email as soon as you sign up. So make sure you sign up. The link to that is in the description of this video. Thanks all.